Hello people, I want to show you today how to remove this horrible stock. I've shown many people in my group we've got on Facebook, replica air gun lovers. Many people have changed this now. If you're unfortunate enough to buy this one before the R1 come out, then this is a handy little tip for you. As you see, I've done mine. It's a bit late for the video now, I've done this so long ago, but I still get asked by people how to do it, so I thought I'd try and show you as best as I can. Initially, I'd strip the gun down. You're going to want to take the pins out, take the top receiver off, keep this. You want to wrap this up. When you start getting into it, it's going to get really messy, so you want to wrap that up, cover it up good. Once that's off, you're going to come to this plate here. You're going to want to cut a nice straight line all the way around that, and that will come off. Them pins in there, do not touch them, they are not functional. You will damage your gun if you touch them. So just cut yourself a nice straight line. Literally that bit of plastic will come straight off. Bear with me a second, I'll show you what's going to happen next. Alright, what you're going to find underneath, once you've taken that off and that's out of the way, there will be a lip right across here that holds the old stock. Now all you really want to do is grind that down. See what I've done? Pretty much made it the same as any other tube. I haven't really done it as much as I should have done, but I think it works quite well how I've done it. So you can have a big thick lip. Also, I've also put a slim mount on there, so that's a different thing that obviously you're gonna have to get yourself around. You've got a little pokey bit out, but you see, if I fold them down, you don't really want to leave them sticking out afterwards. It's gonna look terrible. So you can see I've cut that right off there. Pretty much left that end. Got my slim mount on. Ground this right down, and it does the job. If you was unlucky enough to buy dpms with that, I mean, we was meant to get the R1 black, but that is not happening for us now. You see, I've got guns everywhere at the moment, packing up, moving house, so everything's going away. So I'm trying to chuck out a couple of videos before I do. That is literally an easy thing, guys. Get yourself a grinder, cut that off straight with a little hacksaw, remove the plate, grind it down so you get a nice round shape. You're going to fit that on. So easy. Well guys, that is pretty much it. If you get into it and you get stuck, just drop me a message on YouTube or find us on Facebook. I'm always there. I have done a full write-up on how you do it step by step on there, so anyone that joins, it's easy enough to find it, easy enough to follow. But if you do try to join that group, just make sure you agree rules, because you're not going to get in lit otherwise. We don't let anyone in without doing the rules. Keep it sweet for everyone. There you have it, guys. Nice easy stock change, simple to do. So if you struggle, just get in contact with me somehow. I'll let you know the best I can how to help you. Thanks for watching everyone. Please like, subscribe if you can. Thank you.